If you go to Blogify website directly, you'll see a page like this. Now if you go to pricing option here, you'll see different pricing plans. Blogify offers a 3-day free trial to their users, and then the plan starts from approximate $5 and move up to $100. That is if we buy the monthly plan. If we choose the yearly option, you'll see that the plan starts from $4, which means it will cost around $48 every year. They also have some lifetime deals for each plan. The Lite plan's lifetime deal will cost you around $200. We also have this coupon code, which will provide you a flat 25% discount on your order. If we apply the coupon with the lifetime deal, we'll be able to get it for just $150. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you use the first link down below in the video description, it will take you to a website called AppSumo. Here, you'll find the lifetime deal of Blogify for just $79. Sounds like a good deal, right? And let me assure you that this is a completely legit website. And if you click on View Pricing Plan, you'll see that it is also offering a 60-day money-back guarantee, which is really great offer in my opinion. And if you scroll down, you'll see everything that's included in the $79 plan. If we compare this with the Lite plan on Blogify's website, you'll see that all the features are basically the same. In other words, you'll get the lifetime access of Blogify's lifetime deal for just $79, which usually costs $200 on their website. Sounds like a good deal to me. I've given you both websites' link in the description of this video. I hope you found this helpful. Subscribe to this channel for more upcoming software deals and discounts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.